Welcome to the R6 feature series. This time we're talking about templated toy creation. This is something that you're going to find inside the new dialog box from the last video, the toy builder, and we added it so that you can reuse your selections made inside of the toy builder. The idea is that if you find groupings that you like and you want to reuse them, you can save them, edit them, and you can even move them around from VPS to another VPS using the same process that you'd follow for reports. Let's check it out. So in order to access the templating functionality for the toy builder, we're going to bring up the toy building dialog box. And you can see that as I make different choices here, the text in the template section has turned red. That text is telling me that there's some pending changes that haven't yet been saved as a template. So I'm going to go through and I'm going to pick my most common activation options. I hit the Save As Template button and it puts my cursor in the naming dialog. I can type in whatever I'd like to call this, and when I'm done I just hit Enter. Now I've got a template that can be reused for organizing my takeoff items. Give it a moment and see how it reorganizes all of my data. And then if I want, I can go back to the takeoff builder, start to change my information again. Notice that that text turns red. This time I'm going to look for a couple different parameters that I might want to activate with. Find them through the search function. Save it as a different template that I could use for, let's say, a different scope or a different version. Just another way to look at the data. And then also I've got this drop down here which gives me a couple more options. So if I pick my other template, you can see it automatically changes the selection. I can click this pencil here on the left in order to rename the template and just hit Enter when I'm done. I can go to Browse down here at the bottom and import templates that are on other project servers. This information is moved around just like the reports, so if you want to get it from project to server, you can do that. And then last but not least, you can delete a template from here. So that's a little bit on how we've automated the template process for toy creation. Hope it helps.